When it comes to action cams, GoPro is often the first and only name that comes to mind since it's grown into a complete solution from cameras to accessories to services including device replacement, cloud storage, a streaming platform, GoPro app, and more. On the other hand, if you're just looking for a good mountable, rugged, high-resolution waterproof camera to take on your adventures, you'd be right to think that smartphones are more than capable of shooting top-quality 4K videos these days. But action cameras can accompany you in places that your smartphone is unlikely to survive. Alongside GoPro Hero 9, there are also a bunch of really good action camera options out there which offer similar features like 4K resolution, image stabilization, touchscreen, waterproofing, and many more. Which raises the question if you really need a GoPro Hero 9, or you're better off with just an affordable action cam that just gets the job done. Well, to get this answer, we have got our hands on 3 different action cams from Victor and Akaso, including the GoPro Hero 9, to have a hands-on comparison. So let's get started. We all know more or less about GoPro 9, so let's check out the budget ones at first. Victor and Akaso is a well-known brand for manufacturing good quality action cams while costing way less than the Hero 9. The Victor AC920 and 940 is a good quality action cam, sharing similar specs and almost identical design. They both offer 4K 30 to 60 FPS video recording, 6-axis gyroscope for gimbal-lock stabilization, long runtime, durably built for your adrenaline-filled lifestyle, and waterproofing for those breathtaking under-the-wave shots. Another player, the Akaso V50, has also got similar specs, but what sets all of these action cams different from the Hero 9 is their price. All 3 action cams cost ranging from $100 to $120 and comes with a lot of accessories to provide the best overall videography experience. On the other hand, Hero 9 costs around $400, which you can use to get 2 of these budget action cams and still have some money left to buy accessories. Now you may be thinking, if I can get an average action cam experience by just spending $120, why should I buy the GoPro Hero 9? Well, in the tech world, price is not always everything, and there's always something you would be missing out on. The Hero 9 sports a beastly 23.6 megapixel sensor for ridiculous 5K video and stunning 20 megapixel photos, where you would have been stuck with 4K 60 FPS on Victor and Akaso action cams. It just doesn't stop here. The Hero 9 lets you experience ultimate smoothness with Hyper Smooth 3.0, record mesmerizing time-lapse scene with Time Warp 3.0, 8x slow-mo, dual display, and many more unique features like hindsight and horizon lock, all in a solidly built waterproof construction that can go in your pocket. But like all other devices, everything has its pros and cons, and Hero 9 is no different. Its slightly unresponsive touchscreen is a little frustrating. Though it can shoot 20 megapixel HDR photos, it takes about 3 to 4 seconds to process the photo due to its backdated G processor, which is kinda lame for a dedicatedly built camera. That being said, it's clear that the GoPro Hero 9 is definitely a step up from other action cameras on the market, including the inexpensive ones, and is recommended to people who have enthusiasm for their videography and always desires the best of the best outcome from their action camera. But don't be upset, as the budget ones are also capable enough to provide you excellent action cam experience and value for money, which makes them a perfect choice for people looking for an action camera in a budget price range to get their job done. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.